Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Jagan hardware smart music Flowerpot. You can see from the box that there's an image of the Flowerpot over here, and we will quickly take a look if we have some more information. This is basically a Bluetooth speaker, a wireless speaker that comes with a flowering vase attachment as well. And you can actually plant a real plant over here. This comes with Bluetooth, colorful light, 360-degree sound, long time play and bass as well. And some information is given over here. This says battery capacity is 1200 mAh, working voltage is 3.7 volts, charging time is 4 hours and playing time is around 2 hours, and net weight is 400 grams. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, it says this product does not provide real plants. Please purchase your own plants. In order to make the product have a better experience, it is recommended that the plant be non-toxic and green. When planting a green plant, be sure to operate under a flower pot. When the implant is finished, turn on the flower pot to study for 10 seconds. Then play or do something else. The instructions are given on how to use this. That's great. Now let's take a look at the flower pot itself. There you go. These are the components of the box. This is a user manual for the Jagan hardware Wi-Fi, smart Wi-Fi flowering pot. Everything that you want to know is given over here. More or less, the specifications are more or less the same mentioned on the box. And this also comes with troubleshooting steps as well. We also have a micro USB charging cable. This one comes with a flat TPE wire. It's a pretty small micro USB charging cable. And this is the smart Wi-Fi enabled flowering pot in question. As you can see, the flowering plant will go over here. This is where you build your flowering pot and then turn it on basically through here. This is made to look like a very small flowering vase. It's a very nice design choice. It's a very elegant design. It's a blue variant, of course, but the design choice is pretty elegant. It comes with this white strip as well. This, I'm assuming, is kind of an LED strip. It also has these 3 anti-slip rubber stops as well, and this is the speaker underneath. This gives you your 360-degree sound effect. Okay, one thing. This is basically your micro USB charging port. Let's once again try to turn this on. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working. I will connect it to a power source and see if I can make this work. You see that it is getting charged right now. There's some light is glowing over here. I'll try to turn it on now and see if this actually works. You heard that tone? I'm assuming that means that this particular device is, yeah.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So I had to press this button again for the music to stop. So by default, that music loop keeps playing. That's like your default music loop. When I press this power button over here again, this went to the Bluetooth settings page. It's basically went to the Bluetooth pairing mode. I'll use my smartphone to try and pair with it, see if this actually works. And I am getting, anything? Yeah, no, I'm getting a flower pot option over here. There you go. I don't know if you can see this. There you go. It says flower pot. I'm going to click on this. Click on pair.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You heard that, the Bluetooth device is connected successfully. I'm going to play some music quickly so that you get an idea of what it's supposed to look like. So you heard that, it works fine actually. And that's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Jagan hardware smart music Flowerpot. Thank you for watching.